So often when I'm asked what's a good time of year to come to Hyde Hall, it's usually the summer months that we talk about. The dry garden, as we are renowned for, has some fabulous plants within it. I must sing about the echiums, which have just exploded and been really full-on feature for the dry garden.
Yeah, the dry garden's quite unique, really full of flower in the summertime. Things like the California poppies are bright orange, reds, yellow shades, contrasting with things like some of the purples, things like salvias, agapanthus, echinops. There's a lot of architectural interest in some of those flowers as well. And even when they finish flowering, the seed heads still look good.
The global growth vegetable garden in the summer is full and ready to harvest. The smell in the glasshouse, to me, just screams summer with the smell of ripening melons and tomatoes.
Yeah, we've just taken a walk through the vegetable garden and seen some amazing meatball aubergines. They look really nice, and some tomatoes.
Some of the areas of the garden we like are the Australia and New Zealand. Both my wife and I have been to both those countries, so it's nice to look at the plants.
The courtyard comprises of two gardens. We wanted to showcase sort of two completely different garden styles side by side. So the cottage garden is a lot looser, more informal. The planting is slightly chaotic.
Honestly, if you go into the cottage garden at the present time, it's just a fantastic display of colour.
The Ami is the most popular plant in there, really delicate umbel. We have a delphinium in there as well called blue lace, which is always popular. And the valerian, that's been sort of flowering since sort of early May.
At the moment, we've got this fabulous plant. It's called Dazzlerion. It comes from the southwest United States of America. We planted it nearly 20 years ago, and here it is flowering during the summertime. Fabulous.
Hyde Hall's had a history of growing roses for many, many years. We have good rose growing conditions. They like a heavy clay soil, and we're on top of a hill, so it's an open, sunny site. Particularly in the summer months, you get that low light in the early morning or the late evening. It looks absolutely fantastic.
My favourite part of the garden is the rose garden because we can play hide and seek and there's lots of different corners and bits to go around.
So today we've smelled the lavender, which is phenomenal, and we've seen the bees on there as well, the butterflies.
During the summer months, the clover hill with their salvias, nymphophias, the echinacea is fantastic.
On days with beautiful weather here at Hyde Hall, the views are particularly special. One of my favourite being from Clover Hill looking over towards the winter garden. The colours spectacular.
It's great just to come out when the weather's nice.
We need nature, everybody needs nature.
Even when it's really sunny like today, you get a bit of a breeze, you can sit underneath a tree, and frankly it's a bit of an escape from normal life.
An ideal place to come sort of cool off is probably up on the sort of hilltop lawn. Another good spot actually is the oak tree by the big sky meadow. Sitting under that is fantastic.
We've created areas across the garden, picnic areas, where actually you can try and find that little bit of shade and enjoy your moments.